For the report, our team in AIAG are responsible on the research of AI governance and public services. To sum up what we found, AI can significantly enhance public services, but its benefits depend on building governance frameworks that ensure transparency, accountability, and citizen trust. What stood out to me most in the findings is how governments across the Asia-Pacific region are actively experimenting with AI-enabled public services. From digital assistance and automated service delivery to data-driven decision-making. These innovations show great promise, yet they also highlight emerging challenges around privacy, fairness, and public confidence. For policymakers and the broader public, I believe there are two takeaways. Firstly, AI in public services should always be citizen-centered. This means designing systems that are accessible, trustworthy, and responsive to people's real needs, not just technically impressive. Secondly, effective AI governance requires clear rules and shared responsibilities. Governments, technology providers, and academic institutions must work together to strengthen standards, build capacity, and ensure that public sector AI remains aligned with social values. Thank you again to UNDP for driving this important conversation. It's a privilege to contribute to this meaningful initiative. Thank you.